I want to say to Honorable Judge Slope, I'm sitting there and I'm shocked because you, Honorable Judge, have sent many of my old friends to jail with Roman Dutch law, which you enjoyed. While you were getting you talked about the blue lights. While you were getting the perks of the judge, being a judge, you never saw something wrong with blue light. You never saw something wrong with Roman Dutch law. Today, when you're no longer there, now you are seeing something wrong with Roman Dutch law. It cannot be. I'm going to pay for an appeal for everybody that has been sentenced by you, because you sentenced them with the wrong law according to you. Thank you very much, Honorable.
There needs not be a speaker on the floor for me to raise an order. I hope we can agree on that. So I'd like...
You can proceed, Honorable.
Thank you very much. The judge has written a thesis when he was on the bench, attacking Roman Dutch law.
Honorable NDLOZI.
Your illiteracy is not going to help us.
Can you please sit down?
This judge has
NDLOZI.
written papers against Roman Dutch law when he was on the bench.
Can you take the out?
You come here and you lie. You lie. This judge spoke about decolonization of the law from the bench. Don't lie here, man. Must read extensive, well-researched papers that are peer-reviewed. Yes, yes. And he didn't say anything about sports, about arts. He gets there.
Honorable.
What's going to happen about the arts?
From Honorable NDLOZI.